Yeah, buddy.
What are you doing, Cheeto? Just relaxing? Getting high off the fumes? Alright. What's up, everybody? I am doing something. Oh, wait. Today is, let me see what day it is. I think it's like Sunday. Yeah, Sunday about 4 o'clock here in Chino Valley. It's a whopping 58 degrees. About 64 actually. It updated. And I'm getting ready to take off again. I just came to the house overnight and I'm doing something, and as I was doing it I was like, oh my god, maybe I should do a quick video on it just to show you guys what's going on, especially to you guys who have moving parts on your campers or vehicles, whatever, you know. So check this out. All these moving parts, like the latches, the door closing system, all that stuff, even the drawer slide for my batteries right here. I get a lot of dust and stuff in here. I'm even doing the ones on the door right here. So I get a lot of dust. I do a lot of off-road driving and stuff. And you know what I did is I grabbed some brake cleaner and I sprayed these off really good to clean it up, right? And then after I cleaned it, I went around the whole Ambo and cleaned all the latches on all the doors. See how nice that sounds? So let me turn this around. What I'm doing is I'm taking some of this stuff, Sil-Glyde multi-purpose lubricant, and this is recommended by some of the guys at a couple of the different shops actually. And what it is it's just a lubricant. Put it on there, doesn't collect dust as much as other greases and stuff do. So I'm doing all these, I'm putting it under there, and I'm using a syringe to suck it out of the tube. I take off the actual needle, draw it into this syringe, put the needle on, and then I'm able to squirt into those tight spaces. Can you see it? See, yeah, that's some good lube. And then what I'm doing is I'll stick it in here and work these areas as well. As you can see, the other stuff I use, which was basically just WD-40 at the time because I was in a pinch and that's all I had, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. Spray on the brake cleaner, wipe it off as much as you can, let it dry, and then go through and lubricate everything. So we're gonna keep going. Let me check out a couple of these other ones. The one that was really bad, this one wasn't too bad. That one doesn't have any grease or anything on it. It's just been cleaned up. Same with this one. But this one was getting kind of hard to close. And this one was getting kind of hard to open. And you can see it's all greaseless now. And then this one right here was the hardest. I couldn't even, oh, see, that's so much better just by me cleaning it. So if nothing else, clean it off a little bit. Brake cleaner is probably your most cost-effective product to get that all cleaned off. And then I'm using just those blue throwaway rags that you can get at O'Reilly's or whatever. And then I'm gonna finish this up, and then I'll come back and do another short video about how it came out and how this is turning out to use. It seems to be okay. If I could get a bigger gauge one, I would, but this is all I had, kind of old medic stuff. But yeah, let's get to it. Ah, yeah. Got another little tip for you. When you're sticking the syringe in there, this one fits perfect. So what I do is I push the excess in there, the air. I stick it in so that I know that I'm in the lubricant, and then I draw back. And sometimes it'll like get real stiff. And then as you pull it out, you can hear it pop. Watch. See if it does it. So you hear it pop and it sucks it out. Helps it draw it up. Hear the little pops? There you go. And it's Takes a while, but it does go a really long way. Whammo. And then I just wipe it down and then put the syringe back on. So let's go get to it. The sun is setting. We're done. Let me show you what I did, and let me show you how it worked out. Pretty well, in my opinion. Wait, check this out. Did you guys see already that the bumper's repainted? What? Got the light bar hooked up, the rigid lights hooked up in there, and then I got those KC ditch lights. So this was a problem compartment I told you about. Like, it was so hard for me to close. I would have to like literally but now it's like hooray. And then this one I would literally have to like use my whole weight to like and look at now, look. What? Say it ain't so. So that stuff we used, what was it called? The stuff we used was called, let me get another look here, Sil-Glyde, AGS Sil-Glyde. I got it at, can't remember, O'Reilly's maybe? Oh, you hear that? You know you don't, because it's beautiful and it's super well lubricated. Bitch! So anyway, yeah, it's amazing. Worked out good. I was still having some noise coming from the hinges, and I tried something different. I tried some of that Whiskey Delta 40, WD-40 lithium, that white lithium grease. So sprayed it from the inside, wiped it off on the outside, and then I ran out of brake cleaner. I was gonna saturate a rag and do it like this and get it all off the outside, but I didn't because I ran out. And yeah, everything's working really good. Highly recommend it. Silicone All-Star right there, she's chilling. I don't care what we're doing, I just want to hang out. You shaking? You getting chilly? Alright, I'll shut the door and then I'll... Watch your head. Go let her out, take her inside. We got a fire going. We leave tomorrow. Going to, we just got back. Spent a couple nights with some friends up in... I'm not going to tell you where it's at because this video might come out first and I want you to see it. A very cool camp spot. 2 different ones that were awesome. We had some amazing food, and they left, I think probably today or yesterday, on the way back to Bend, Oregon. So tomorrow we're headed out to Havasu, and that'll be a cool spot too. I'll have to show you that. In the meantime, got the fan on because it stinks like brake cleaner. Overland ambulance is in full effect and ready to go. Signing out. Bye-bye, friends. Cheeto says bye, and we love you guys.